Hey everybody, welcome to the Bowling Fools page. I am Ryan, aka Bowling Fool. What we got today is the Pride Dynasty. I bought this used from a guy in our league last year for 20 bucks. So we'll see how it rolls. There's a few balls left in my collection that I have yet to review. This is one of them. And we're dealing with post-league lane conditions. Also got a new cell phone and I'm using a mic. So hopefully the sound and visuals will be a little bit better. All right, standing on 25. Ooh, bucket right off the gate. Probably a little too fast on that one. Actually, 14 miles an hour. So the only two used balls I have are this one and the Zen, original Zen. I bought them off the same guy for 20 bucks a pop. The Zen Pearl, the original, is actually pretty good. Pretty good shaping ball. All right, standing on 20. Get it. Ow, no, that's not what I want. Not what I want. Let me know if you have the Pride Dynasty. A little bit older, discontinued. I think you can still find some 14s around. I don't know if you can find any 15s left. All right, standing on 22. Get it. Bam. There we go. So we'll just do one game with this and see how she rolls. I don't have any honor scores with this thing yet, but 230s, 240s. All right, stand at 22. Get it, get it. Bam. There we go. So some of my Motiv balls, like my very first one was a Venom Shock. And that ball, for some weird reason, was really strong. A lot stronger than I thought it was going to be. So that's one thing I'm noticing with a lot of Motiv balls is, to me, the numbers lie compared to other brands. So if it says like a diff of 0.30, expect a strong ball. All right, stand on 22 again. Get it. Boom. About the Motiv Evoke Hysteria. Just put up a 266 with that today. And I bought the Motiv Thrill Hybrid, the new one that came out for 113 bucks or whatnot. So I should be drilling that one up soon. I got that one just the other day. I'll be drilling that up and rolling it pretty soon. I'm not doing any summer leagues, so I got a nice break during the summer. Just come out and practice here and there. All right, stand at 22. Get it. Yeah. Okay. The Broski's been buying a lot of used balls lately, so I'll be doing some drone videos on those. Maybe cutting down some plugs on those as well too. I like to do more bowling ball review videos if I can, but I'm running out of bowling balls. There's just a few left. I got a bunch of really strong solids that are just not going to jive unless I have really heavy oil. All right, 22. Get it. Boom. All right. Ball's looking pretty good. I think I got about 10 games with this ball so far. Like I said, nothing, no scores too crazy, but all right. Standing 22, 23. Get it, get it. Oh, there we go. Look at that, huh? Only on strings, folks. Only on strings. Like a wrap 10 that maybe got caught up in the string, but you know what? It's legal, folks. It's legal. Hate all you want. All right, 23 again. Get it, get it. Bam. Yeah, this ball is looking pretty damn good right now. It's funny how people will get rid of balls that don't work for them, and other people, they work pretty well. I've had a bunch of balls that just do not jive for me. And some of my friends, they roll perfectly with them. So, but I'd say this is $20 well spent. It's again 22, 23. Get it? Oh no, not the split. Not the split. It's not what I wanted. I got around that one a little too much. That's my fault. All right, let's try to do the impossible here. Oh, I tried. I gave it a valiant effort. All right, we're on the 10th frame. Try not to get around it too much. Standing on 23. Get it. Oh, you sucker. That's not how I wanted to end the 10th. No. Well, maybe I can get it. Who knows? We'll see here. All right, let's stand 25. Go a little faster here. Get it, get it. Damn it. All right. So that'd be a 222, folks. All right, yeah, 222. We can see that. There we go. And that is with the Pride Dynasty. I think I might have said Liberty before. Oh well. It's the Pride Dynasty, if I did say Liberty before. Not a bad ball. I'll put the layout down in the description. It's a pin up. All right. If you like what you see, give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.